I'm William from Graco, and I'm going to show you how to install your SnugFit 35 using the lower anchor. We'll start our installation by placing the base flat on the vehicle seat and then pushing it back until the anti-rebound bar touches the seat back. Check the indicator to make sure that the base is level. If it's not, use the recline to adjust it. Next, we'll open up the SnugLock arm and we'll remove the lower anchor straps from their storage location. You want to make sure that the strap is as long as possible before you begin, and when you click the anchor into the vehicle, make sure that the fat part is pointing up. Next, we'll remove all the slack out of the strap, pulling the strap back up through the belt path. You don't have to get it super tight because that's what the SnugLock feature is for. You do want to make sure that it's not twisted and that it sits in the notches on the base. Next, close the SnugLock arm. When you hear that click, you know you have a proper installation. Move it side to side and front to back. If it moves less than an inch where the belt crosses the base, you know you have a good installation. After you put your baby in the car seat, you want to check to make sure that the shoulder belts are at or just below his shoulders. Then you can secure the buckles. I like to secure the chest clip at this time. Now you can tighten the harness. Always make sure that the chest clip is at armpit level and you can't pinch any material on the harnesses. That's how you know that it's snug. Now you can click the carrier into the base. Always lift up on the carrier just to make sure that it's secure, and double check the level indicator to make sure that the seat is still level. Now you're ready to go.